You might think turmeric is always healthy, but what if I told you that combining it with certain foods can be downright dangerous? Yes, some food combinations with turmeric can actually block its benefits or worse, turn toxic inside your body. Curious to know which 3 deadly food combos you must avoid at all costs? Stay tuned, because what you're about to discover could protect your health and maybe even save your life. Hi everyone, welcome back to healthynwealth, your go-to channel for health tips, Ayurveda secrets, and lifestyle upgrades. Today, we're talking about something most people never consider: food combinations that make turmeric harmful. Turmeric is a golden spice packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant power, but when you mix it with the wrong foods, it can actually backfire. So, let's uncover the top 3 food combinations you should never eat with turmeric. Warning: Segment 1. Crossmark 1. Turmeric plus milk plus sugar, the sugar trap. You've probably heard of golden milk or haldi doodh. It's super popular. But adding sugar to this mix? A big mistake. Microscope why it's dangerous. Turmeric boosts your metabolism and detox pathways. Sugar, on the other hand, spikes insulin, creates inflammation, and cancels out turmeric's benefits. Worse, it can make the mixture mucus forming, especially for people with allergies, asthma, or sinus problems. Lightbulb: what to do instead? Use jaggery or drink turmeric milk plain with a pinch of black pepper and a little ghee. It boosts absorption without the side effects. Segment 2. Crossmark 2. Turmeric plus pickles or spicy fermented foods, the gut disaster. Many people in Indian households eat turmeric alongside spicy pickles or fermented dishes like kimchi or acar. Microscope why it's dangerous. Both turmeric and pickles are intense on the digestive system. This combo can irritate your stomach lining, especially if you have acid reflux, ulcers, or IBS. It may lead to bloating, cramping, and poor absorption of nutrients. Lightbulb: what to do instead? Give at least 1 to 2 hours gap between turmeric and any spicy or fermented dish. Let your gut breathe. Warning: Segment 3. Crossmark 3. Turmeric plus certain medications, the silent danger. If you're on blood thinners, diabetes meds, or acid-reducing pills, turmeric can interact badly. Microscope why it's dangerous. Turmeric naturally thins blood. If you're taking anticoagulants, it may increase bleeding risk. It may also interfere with blood sugar levels if you're already on diabetes medicine. With acid reducers, turmeric may increase acidity instead of reducing it. Pill: consult your doctor before combining turmeric supplements with any prescription medications. White heavy checkmark. Conclusion: turmeric is a miracle spice, but only when used wisely. Backhand index pointing right. Avoid mixing it with sugar, spicy pickles, or meds without advice. Use turmeric the Ayurvedic way with pepper, ghee, or warm water to unlock its full potential safely. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your loved ones. Speech balloon: comment below, which combo surprised you the most? And don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss health-saving tips from @healthynwealth.